Welcome back to Hey Baby and Beyond. I'm Lauren, an antenatal and postnatal teacher here in Manchester, and today I just want to share some tips for packing your baby's hospital bag for a hospital birth. So these are the things that I often suggest for parents to put in, but obviously like everything it is your choice. So these are the things that I'd recommend. 1 pack of nappies, a packet of wipes, some nappy bags and some cotton wool pads. I would then have 1 pack of sleep suits or baby grows in first size or newborn. I would have 1 pack of short sleeve vests in first size or newborn. I would have 1 hat, 1 blanket and possibly a sleep aid if I was going to use it, something like You and the Sheep. I would possibly pack 1 dummy, and if you're not planning on breastfeeding, then you do need to pack a starter pack of milk, which can be bought from the supermarket. They don't need any kind of ointment or bottom creams or anything like that. They don't need anything for bathing, as the advice is not to bath them for 24 hours after birth. And then I would possibly take something to take them home in, whether it be a going home outfit or just a cardigan to put over your baby grow. And I would also put in maybe a cardigan just in case you need one in the hospital if your baby's temperature is a little bit low. Other than that, I wouldn't pack anything else. I would make sure that you keep it to the minimum. And if you need something, somebody can always bring it into you because we have supermarkets that are open all the time. I hope that helps you to pack your hospital bag, and please do ask any questions below or any suggestions that you have for packing a hospital bag. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you'll see the new videos that are popping up daily. See you soon.